Today, on Red for Research Day, I want to take a moment to recognise and thank the research community across Wales. Red for Research is about raising awareness and celebrating people who make research happen, the people whose work helps improve health and care now and for the future. Across Wales, research happens every day in hospitals, GP practices, care settings, universities and communities, and it's made possible by dedicated professionals, partners and members of the public who choose to get involved and help make a difference. At Health and Care Research Wales, we are proud to support this work and the people that make it happen. We're committed to embedding research across health and social care, developing the research professionals and staff of the future, and supporting those already involved in research. By investing in people and building research capability across the health and care system, we ensure research continues to improve care, tackle real-world challenges and change lives across Wales. Today, we wear red to say thank you and to show our support for the people who make research possible, because today's research makes a difference to tomorrow's care. Diolch yn fawr.